It's weird. You won't be able to see my head while I'm talking, but that should be fine, right? No, I don't like it. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? So I'm back with another plant video, and this time I'm going to show you how I repot my cylindrical Sansevieria or snake plant. So I just got this recently and I think it's overflowing in its nursery pot, so I'm going to replant this. I've got some other nursery pots here because I think I have to divide this into 3 or who knows, 2 little small cylindrical Sansevierias. So I've got my setup here. I've got my mixing soil here with some perlites and just a regular potting mix, because I don't have anything other than this. And then but let me tell you why I am doing this video, because me as a beginner, I've realized that snake plants are the easiest to take care of for indoor plant lovers. Especially for beginners. Initially I had this plant, it's on a big pot, this one. I got this from a friend, and this was growing outside their garden. I think this is the Sansevieria trifasciata Lorente. So this was growing outside their garden, and I have managed to keep it alive, and I think there's some growth here on this one. If you can see, I am so happy with this. I'm monitoring this all the time, but I don't water this. I think I only water this every 2 weeks, so it's growing healthy right now. I got this damaged leaf, but I'll leave it at that. Is one of the Sansevierias I have. I think I only have, no, I am sure I only have 3 cultivars, is that what you call it? So I've got this what's the other name for this? So most snake plants are called mother-in-law sharp tongue. I don't know why, I can't relate. I don't have any mother-in-law yet. So yeah, so this is one of my first snake plants. And then I got from I got this, or if that one up there, let me show you. So I got this other snake plant. It's a dwarf version of the Sansevieria trifasciata. Maybe I should stop saying it because I can't even say it properly. So they otherwise call this as bird's nest, and I ordered this online. I also water this every 2 weeks, so it's doing really great, and it had grown some babies. The babies it produced are this one, or these ones. See that? It's like 2 months old now, and it's growing so nicely in this pot. I also don't water this often, and I was shocked that there were other babies in the same pot of that bird's nest. I think it's also called Sansevieria hanii, if I'm not mistaken, and I've also got some babies here. So it's really easy to take care of, and it multiplies really fast, like this one. I think it's also a Sansevieria hanii, but I don't know why it's not as bushy as the other one, or maybe this could be a different cultivar, but I am sure it is, because it's surrounded by what's this, yellow. There's a baby growing there, so I'm not gonna touch it yet. I'll just leave it as is. And from research that you don't, when you water this, you don't make sure that you don't wet the leaves, so it won't cause any leaf rot. Some interesting facts about the Sansevieria or the snake plants is that they are good air purifiers, so they decrease the amount of carbon dioxide, formaldehydes, or any other toxins in your house. That's why my aim is to have a lot of these plants in the house. And aside from that, they're also aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. That's why I love them. It's weird. You won't be able to see my head while I'm talking, but that should be fine, right? No, I don't like it. Okay, let's do it like that. Got my soil ready. So let me just take this out from its nursery pot and let's see. Oh no, I have to be very careful with this one. Okay, I might take long to do this, so I'll just do a hyperlapse. So finally, I was able to take it out from the nursery pot, and this is what I have. Look, it's growing so healthy, but it was root bound to the nursery pot, so it's best that I should repot this. And I don't know how many stalks are there or groupings in here, so let me just see. So I'm just gently pressing inward for the soil to loosen up. I don't want to break the roots on this. Okay, someone's trying to... I'm making a mess here. Okay, please bear with me. Okay, maybe I can plant this as it is. This one. And then I've got some here. Oh, this really scares me doing this. So this should be together, I think, because this is the main root. Comment down below if I'm doing this wrong. So So there it goes. I have repotted everything, all of my cylindrical Sansevieria into 4 pots from one overflowing little pot. So I've got this first one here, and then there's some babies growing, so I put it under one pot, and the taller ones in this second pot, a third pot. And then I ran out of nursery pots, so I had to recycle from a cup noodle some taller stalks. So from one pot I have several now, so I can place one in the kitchen, in my living room, or maybe this one in the bathroom. But I have to take it out for some sunlight. So that's it for this video. For all newbies out there, those who are starting on indoor gardening, you can definitely take care of a Sansevieria. I've got 3 types here already, and it's all doing pretty well. Some even had babies. So definitely get a Sansevieria or a snake plant, because they really are easy to take care of. That's proven and tested by me. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and then I'm gonna see you soon for another plant video, hopefully. So you guys take care. Thank you so much for watching, and please comment if I had done something wrong, or if you have any suggestions how to take care of this type of plant. So please, I would really appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching again, and you have a nice day. Bye!